Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Cloud BigQuery updates, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open a web browser on your device. Navigate to the Google Cloud console by entering the URL cloud.google.com. Sign in to your Google Cloud account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, locate the hamburger menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the hamburger menu to expand it. From the menu, select BigQuery under the Big Data section. You will be directed to the BigQuery page. On the left sidebar, look for the Resources section. Next, find the Notifications tab within your project details. Click on the Notifications tab to access notification settings. In the Notifications section, look for the option to create a new subscription. Select Create a Subscription or a similar option. You will be prompted to input details for the subscription. Fill in the necessary information, such as a name for your subscription. Choose the type of updates you want to receive, like query results or job status changes. Select the delivery method for your updates, whether via email or pub/sub. Review your choices to ensure they meet your requirements. Once satisfied, click the Create button to finalize your subscription. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your subscription was created successfully. Now, you will receive updates based on your selected preferences. Return to the Notifications section to manage or modify your subscriptions anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.